thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you're new here, my name is Show Love, and if you love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So today we're going to be learning how to create a She Is SVG file in Silhouette Studio. So the first thing we're going to do is create our text. So you want to go ahead and hit the text button and then type out the words that you want to use. I'm going to be using about 6 words. Okay, and then I'm just going to change the text as well. And then change the color for the purposes of this video. Once you're done with that, you're going to create a circle. So my circle will be about 7.6 inches roughly. You're going to double click on your text, and then you're going to hit that circle with the arrows in it. And you're going to drag that over the circle to create your text to path. And then you're going to position the words however you want. And then you're going to right click on your text, go down and click Convert to Path. And once you're done with that, you can remove your circle. And now we're going to work on the actual She Is. So you want to click on text and then type out She Is. And then I'm just going to change the font to something cursive, more cursive-like. And change the color for the purposes of this video. And then I'm going to position it. Now what we're going to do is right click on the text and weld the words together so that they're not overlapping. And then we're going to group the words back together and then add that color back in. Then I'm going to select the entire design and align it vertically and horizontally. Then you're going to select the entire design, right click, and then group it. And that's it, guys. You have successfully learned how to create a She Is SVG file in Silhouette Studio. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye, loves.